Hello, I want to share my latest project with you. This is my mobile miter saw stand. So obviously the miter saw is here, and then these wings fold out to provide extension to the fence. And this is the other fence. So it's got two wings and it gives me quite a big span to support longer work pieces. The brackets down here are these nice locking brackets that I got from Amazon. I can include the links if anybody's interested. And I've been organizing my garage by the principle of grouping similar things together. So I figured I would build this little storage space for some of my other saws. Here you're looking at my circular saw on the right and jigsaw on the left. On the bottom is a basket holding some offcuts. And the whole thing, of course, is on casters, locking casters. I can make the plans available if anybody's interested. It was a fun build. I do want to warn you before that it's a little bit tricky to get everything to match up. So between the support and the deck of the saw itself, it's a little bit tricky to get it just right. So eventually I gave up and just made the platform, the extension wing, a little bit lower than the actual deck of the saw. That way, when I put a workpiece here, I'm not gonna run into the height difference, or the fence wouldn't bump my workpiece higher than it needs to be. Similarly with the back fence here, I also put it a little bit further back compared to the actual fence, so it never gets in the way. So yeah, so this was custom built by me for the dimensions of my saw and also the basket below. One nice thing about this is that you can make it more compact by folding it in like so. By folding the saw in like that, it makes it a bit more compact for storage. So yeah, now I can roll it away and put it away very compactly.